Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can restore default settings in Valorant. So as you may know, there is no button for you to press to basically restore the default settings. So what you need to do here, on the desktop you need to just press Windows button plus R, and then here you need to write, as you can see here, %, local app data, and the sign again, and press OK. And then you need to scroll down until you see Valorant here, and you need to delete this folder. Right, so if you cannot delete the folder, just turn off the game or restart or reboot your computer, and you should delete the folder. And now basically your default settings will be restored. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.